मेरे शांत गांव में जीवन सरल लेकिन जीवंत था, खासकर हॉकी टूर्नामेंट के दौरान जिसमें सभी एक साथ आते थे। हॉकी स्टिक के रूप में बांस की स्टिक और एक हस्तनिर्मित गेंद का उपयोग करते हुए ग्रामीणों ने अविश्वसनीय कौशल और जुनून का प्रदर्शन किया। टूर्नामेंट केवल स्थानीय मामले नहीं थे, इसमें लगभग 50 गांव शामिल थे, जिससे यह एक भव्य आयोजन बन गया। लीग मैच हफ्तों तक चलते थे, जिसमें टीमें धूल भरे मैदानों पर जमकर प्रतिस्पर्धा करती थी, जो जयकारे लगाने वाली भीड़ से घिरे होते थे। पुरस्कार भी आयोजन की तरह ही अनोखे थे। उपविजेता के लिए एक मुर्गा, चैंपियन के लिए एक खस्सी बकरा और अंतिम ट्रॉफी के रूप में एक खूबसूरती से तैयार की गई ढाल। अन्य पुरस्कारों में चावल की बोरियां, हस्तनिर्मित टोकरियां और दैनिक जीवन के लिए उपकरण शामिल थे। सभी उम्र के ग्रामीण खेल देखने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए। उनकी हंसी और जयकार पूरे मैदान में गूंज रही थी। यह केवल जीतने के बारे में नहीं था, यह समुदाय, परंपरा और अपने पसंदीदा खेल को खेलने की खुशी का उत्सव। अब मैं इसी विषय वस्तु को लेता हूँ और पुनरावृत्ति प्रक्रिया की सहायता से धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी बोलने का अभ्यास करने का प्रयास करता हूँ। Now I take the same content and try to practice to speak English fluently with the help of repetition process. So let's get started. Life in my quiet village was simple yet vibrant, especially during the hockey tournaments that brought everyone together. Hello? Life in my quiet village was simple yet vibrant, especially during the hockey tournaments that brought everyone together. Hello? Life in my quiet village was simple yet vibrant, especially during the hockey tournaments that brought everyone together. Now most flame. Life in my quiet village was simple yet vibrant, especially during the hockey tournaments that brought everyone together. Next sentence. Using bamboo sticks as hockey sticks and a handcrafted ball, the villagers showcased incredible skill and passion. 5. Using bamboo sticks as hockey sticks and a handcrafted ball, the villagers showcased incredible skill and passion. 5. Using bamboo sticks as hockey sticks and a handcrafted ball, the villagers showcased incredible skill and passion. Now most play. Using bamboo sticks as a hockey sticks and a handcrafted ball, the villagers showcased incredible skill and passion. Next sentence. The tournaments were not just local affairs, they involved nearly 50 villages, making it a grand event. More flow. The tournaments were not just local affairs, they involved nearly 50 villages, making it a grand event. More flow. The tournaments were not just local affairs, they involved nearly 50 villages, making it a grand event. Now more flame. The tournaments were not just local affairs, they involved nearly 50 villages, making it a grand event. Next. League matches stretched over weeks, with teams competing fiercely on dusty fields surrounded by cheering crowds. Flow. League matches stretched over weeks, with teams competing fiercely on dusty fields surrounded by cheering crowds. Flow. League matches stretched over weeks, with teams competing fiercely on dusty fields surrounded by cheering crowds. Most flow. League matches stretched over weeks, with teams competing fiercely on dusty fields surrounded by cheering crowds. Next sentence.
The prizes were as unique as the event itself. A rooster for the runners up, a kaise goat for the championships, and a beautifully crafted shield as the ultimate trophy. More flow. The prizes were as unique as the event itself. A rooster for the runners-up, a kaise goat for the championship, and a beautifully crafted shield as the ultimate trophy. More flow. The prizes were as unique as the event itself. A rooster for the runners-up, a kaise goat for the championships, and a beautifully crafted shield as the ultimate trophy. Now, most flow. The prizes were as unique as the event itself. A rooster for the runners-up, a kaise goat for the championships, and a beautiful crafted shield as the ultimate trophy. Next sentence. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. Flow. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. More flow. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. More flow. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. Most flow. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. Next sentence. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games. Their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. More flow. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games. Their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. Flow. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games. Their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. More flow. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games. Their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. Now most flow. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games. Their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. Next sentence. It was not just about winning. It was a celebration of community, tradition, and the joy of playing the sport they loved. Flow. It was not just about winning. It was a celebration of community, tradition, and the joy of playing the sport they loved. More flow. It was not just about winning. It was a celebration of community, tradition, and the joy of playing the sport they loved. More flow. It was not just about winning. It was a celebration of community, tradition, and the joy of playing the sport they loved. Mostly, it was not just about winning. It was a celebration of community, tradition, and joy of playing the sport they loved. Now hold the content. Life in my quiet village was simple yet vibrant, especially during the hockey tournaments that brought everyone together. Using bamboo sticks as hockey sticks and a handcrafted ball, the villagers showcased incredible skill and passion. The tournaments were not just local affairs, they involved nearly 50 villages, making it a grand event. League matches stretched over weeks, with teams competing fiercely on dusty fields surrounded by cheering crowds. The prizes were as unique as the event itself: a rooster for the runners-up, a kaise goat for the champions, and a beautiful crafted shield as the ultimate trophy. Other rewards included sacks of rice, handmade baskets, and tools for daily life. Villagers of all ages gathered to watch the games, their laughter and cheers echoing across the fields. It was not just about winning, it was a celebration of community, tradition, and the joy of playing the sport they loved. And so, friend, my practice to find the fluency in English speaking is now ended. See you soon. Happy learning. Have a good luck.